A noun clause is a fascinating part of the English language that can really elevate your writing and speaking. So, what exactly is a noun clause? Simply put, it's a dependent clause that functions like a noun in a sentence. This means it can act as a subject, an object, or even a predicate. Let's break it down with an example. Take the sentence, "What he did made a problem for his family." Here, the clause "what he did" is the noun clause. It's doing the job of a noun by being the subject of the sentence. It's essential to recognize that noun clauses can start with specific words like that, whatever, whom, whoever, and whomever. Now, let's explore a few more examples to solidify our understanding. In the sentence, "I don't know who will come to the party," the clause "who will come to the party" is a noun clause acting as the object of the verb know. It's providing crucial information about what I don't know. Another example could be, "Whatever you decide is fine with me." Here, "whatever you decide" is the noun clause functioning as the subject of the sentence. It's interesting how these clauses can encapsulate entire ideas and still fit seamlessly into a sentence. To help you grasp noun clauses better, here's some helpful tips. First, always look for the introductory words that signal a noun clause. These words are your clues. Second, try to identify the main clause in the sentence. This can help you see how the noun clause fits into the larger structure. Another trick is to practice transforming sentences. For instance, take a simple sentence like, "She said the movie was great." You can turn "the movie was great" into a noun clause by saying, "What she said was that the movie was great." This exercise can deepen your understanding of how noun clauses work. Lastly, remember that noun clauses can add depth and complexity to your sentences. They allow you to express thoughts and ideas more fully. So, don't shy away from using them. Embrace the power of noun clauses in your writing and speaking, and you'll find that they can make your communication much more effective and engaging. Understanding noun clauses opens up a whole new world of expression in English. With practice, you'll be able to spot them easily and use them to enhance your language skills. So, dive in and start experimenting with noun clauses in your own sentences.